Hello and welcome to SkyTech Academy, a structural software training institute. I welcome you to the StatPro Connect basic series. In this fifth video, we will discuss about uh, there are how many ways to model any structure in StatPro Connect edition. So there are five ways to model, five methods to model any structure in StatPro Connect edition. So which are they five methods? So first is using Cartesian coordinates system. Second would be using grid method. Third would be using structural wizard, which is uh, ready-made template available. Fourth is using StatPro Connect editor, which is nothing but there is a text language of StatPro. We call it as a command file. We can use that to model any structure. And fifth one is by importing any DXF file from AutoCAD or CAD. So let's understand one by one on the screen. If you see, this is the graphical user interface of StatPro Connect edition. So if you want to understand which are all the toolbars and all, I have created one lecture on that also, which is nothing but graphical user interface of StatPro Connect. You can check it out our playlist. Okay, so first method is nothing but Cartesian coordinate method. So these are the input for the Cartesian coordinate methods. We can use these to make we can fill this table and we can create any structure. Second is grid method. That means this is the grid. If you see, if you click on geometry command, there is a grid. We can use this grid and we can create any structure. So this is the grid, and if I don't want to see the grid, I can simply close. So this is the grid option we can use to create any structure. Third option, structural wizard. So if you see, if you if you check, one of the options is available, structural wizard. So if you click on structural wizard, you can see this is the window would come up, and here you can see there are ready-made frame models, there are ready-made truss models, there are ready-made some of the, say, surface and plate models like cooling tower and all. So you can simply uh, create any geometry which would suitable for this template using the structural wizard option. So how many methods we understood? First is Cartesian coordinate system. Second is using grid method. Third is using structural wizard. So what is the fourth method? So if you come to utilities, there is one option called command file. So when you click on command file, you will redirect to StatPro Connect editor. Here you can use the text language of StatPro Connect addition, this function, and we can create any structure. So this is the fourth method. Now what is the fifth method? Fifth method is nothing but we can also import any uh, structure which is in CAD format. So if you click on file, there is one option called import slash export. So if you have any ready-made plan available or any structure available, you can simply import that DXF file. Please remember that it should be DXF format. It should not be in DWG format. So you can import the DXF format, and then you can create any geometry or structure in the StatPro. So that's all, guys. There are five methods for the creating any structure in StatPro Connect, or you can say any geometry. So from the next video, we will take one G+5 building structure, very simple to understand each method in detail. So stay connected, and please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get notification whenever we upload any video, and also share with your friends. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.